Welcome back. We're going to continue practicing two-step word problems today. Let's take a look at this first example. Miss Belote reads 120 minutes on Monday and 187 minutes on Tuesday. By the end of the week, she wants to read for a total of 600 minutes. How many more minutes does she need to read? So thinking back to yesterday, I need to start by finding my question. Right here. How many more minutes does she need to read? In order to figure out how much more she needs to read, I need to go back and find any information that tells me how much Miss Belote has already read. Miss Belote reads 123 minutes on Monday and then 187 minutes on Tuesday. I don't know her total yet, but I know I can use these two numbers to find the total number of minutes she's read so far. In order to do that, I'm going to do 123 plus 187 in order to find her total number of minutes. 3 ones plus 7 ones is going to be 10. I'm going to regroup my 10 into the tens place, leaving a 0 in the ones place. 2 tens plus 8 tens is 10, plus 1 more is 11 tens. That means there's 1 10 in the tens place and 1 in the hundreds place. So I need to regroup. 100 plus 100 plus 100 is going to be 300. But I can't stop there. I know right now this is just the number of minutes Miss Belote read on Monday and Tuesday. So that tells me that part of the problem. I know she wanted to read for a total of 600 minutes. In order to figure out how many more minutes she still needs to read, I'm going to do 600 minus 310. I'm subtracting because if I take away those 310 minutes away, I know whatever is left over is going to be her goal. 0 minus 0 ones is 0. 0 tens minus 1 10 isn't going to work, so I'm going over to the hundreds. That leaves me with 5 hundreds, and then I'm regrouping 10 tens or 100 over into the tens place. 10 tens minus 1 10 is 9 tens. 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is going to be 2 hundreds. That means Miss Belote still needs to read for 290 minutes. Let's try another one. Jesus had 791 coins on Prodigy. He spends 366 coins on a new pet and 122 on a new wand. How many coins does Jesus still have? So again, I'm going to start by underlining that question. How many coins does Jesus still have? Well, I know he started with 791 at some point. But he chose to spend 366 coins on a new pet and 122 on a new wand. That means if I combine or add 366 plus 122, I'll find the total number of coins he's spent so far. I still need to remember he had this 791. So in the second step of my problem, I think I'm going to be taking away whatever I find from step 1. 6 ones plus 2 ones is going to be 8 ones. 6 tens plus 2 tens is going to be 8 tens. And then 300s plus 100 is going to be 400. Jesus has already spent 488 coins. So just like I would with if I'm going to the store, I know if I spend 488 coins, I don't have that anymore. So I need to take it away from my total, which is why I'm subtracting in step 2. 791 minus 488 should give me the total amount of coins Jesus has now. Alrighty, I can't do 1 minus 8 ones, so I'm going to have to regroup. I go over to my tens, break it open for 10 ones, and then I get 11 ones, leaving me with 8 tens in the tens place. 11 ones minus 8 ones is going to be 3 ones. 8 tens minus 8 tens leaves me with 0 tens. 7 hundreds minus 4 hundreds is going to leave me with 3 hundreds. That means Jesus has 303 coins left in Prodigy.